Make a great choice today with
The 2018 Maxima. Maxima offers elegance with an edge. The spacious interior provides refined comfort for up to 5 passengers. Advanced technologies such as Nissan Intelligent Key and Push-Button Ignition offer convenience and control. This vehicle has less than 40,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: heated mirrors, aluminum wheels, brake assist, traction control, stability control, daytime running lights, remote engine start, remote keyless entry, engine immobilizer, 4-wheel disc brakes. Is love at first sight really possible? Let us know when you stop in.